Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the cylinder location and firing order of a BMW 328i 2.0T from the years 2012 to 2016. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car, open the hood, and look at the front of the engine. The location and order would be as follows. Cylinder number 1 is closest to the radiator. Next is cylinder number 2, then 3, and finally cylinder number 4. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires. As I mentioned earlier, it's near the radiator. Then cylinder number 3 fires. After that, cylinder number 4, which is near the windshield. And finally, cylinder number 2 fires. Well, folks, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.